Hey guys, welcome to week 8. This is it, guys. We are wrapping up here, finishing up our work and getting ready to complete the term. So, what do we have this week? It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but just by way of review, we'll just take a quick look. So, we've got our week 8 final project, final posters due. Um, and of course, we got a couple of checkpoints here well, actually, as many checkpoints as you want, because as I said last week, and as I said way back during week 1, if you're not satisfied with your work or if anything you want to change, I'll make my initial critique based on your first post for the final poster, right? And go ahead and apply those changes. And if you want to apply those changes and run it by me again, I'm more than glad to provide additional critique. So as I stated then and last week and this week, if you're working, I'm working. So if you want to make iterations to your poster and run it by me before submitting for final, please have at it. I'm more than happy to provide additional critique and recommendations. My goal is to get you guys an A on the project, right? But I need your help. So please keep that in mind. All right, where are we? So we've got the final poster, we've got the discussion, which is a course reflection, and I really appreciate your honesty in that regard. I think it's really important. I think a lot of the information here is coming straight from the student, and that's what matters here, is your reaction to the class. So if there's things you'd like to see regarding the way the class is formatted and the way the class is written, as well as the quality of the instruction that you have received, if you feel that you've received, that the class is great and you feel like the instruction was great, let us know. Please place that information in your course reflection discussion. And if you feel that there were some areas that could be improved, please, again, by all means, please share that. In addition to the course reflection, I would also like to ask you to take the course survey. And those emails should be sent out this week. You probably have already gotten it. The survey opens today, the 18th, and it ends on August 28th. So you've got a few days here to take it. But I would ask you personally, please don't wait. Please get this course survey completed as soon as possible. It really, really helps me. And just so you know, it's anonymous. So I don't know who makes the comments. All I know is that if there's comments that are made in regard to improving the class or the instruction in any way, I take those comments very seriously and I apply them to the next time I teach the class. So please be very honest, and most important thing is to get that survey done. So I'll be checking in a couple of times just to make sure that we're on track with that survey. So you'll probably hear from me regarding that survey a couple of different times throughout the week. So, okay, so week 7, here's what we got. Now I've got a few things in week 7, and I just kind of want to run by this really quick. So what do we have now? This first thing right here is this. We're kind of back to this, and those of you who have been really paying attention to the review, the videos and the tutorials, there's another one right here regarding old style numerals and open type capabilities, also small caps. And I know it's review, guys, but it's that important. That's why I've reinforced it here. Really, really super important. So take your typography to the next level, right? Everybody in this class is capable. You've shown that. So let's take our typography to the next level. Let's really show people that we know what we're doing in typography. So yes, that's definitely make yourself familiar. Here's an article on OpenType. Read that, then take a look at the video. Then we come down here, and this is just, we've got a little bit of critique. And I just wanted to talk about critique here, the sandwich method. And I left this funny cartoon here, so enjoy that. I think it's really hilarious, but it's just kind of the sandwich technique kind of gone wrong here, so you'll get a kick out of that. Recommended reading. I've left this stuff here, and I'm going to supplement this comment here in 1 second, but this stuff is all for you to take. So these are recommended reading. These are from my personal favorites. All of these inspirational websites, recommended reading, terminology sites, general articles of interest. These are all from my personal collection. So I've included these for you. A lot of students have asked me through the weeks, well, how do I start collecting these assets for my typography folder? And here's a great start for you right here. Additionally, at this point, I want to say if there's anything in the class, the course announcements are full of video tutorials and assets and resources and additional tutorials and links out to, you know, as you guys know, I've really, really filled that with a lot of information. Please feel free to take that stuff with you before you don't have access to the class anymore. That's why it's there. It's there for you, so please take it, okay? That's really it. I mean, we're just wrapping things up here. So if anybody's got any questions, comments, or need any clarification, here's our week 8 tasks. Here's our deliverables and due dates, guys. It's week 8. Don't be late. Don't be late. I can't take it. I can't take late work, guys. So please, you've got to follow this thing. These deliverables and due dates during week 8 are of critical importance. So let's adhere to that, okay? So, all right, everybody, welcome to week 8. Let's rip this thing out on a positive note. Let's get these posters in, and I'll see you guys in discussion board. And again, please remember to take that course survey. And if you have any questions at all, please let me know. And I'd like to close by saying this, and I say this to all my classes and all my students, and I've got students that I keep in contact with, honestly, years later. I just heard from a student that had graduated 3 years ago, just checking in to say, hey, and it's an open invitation, guys. Keep my contact information with you. Please use it for any of your educational needs, okay? Just because the class is over doesn't mean this relationship has to end. I'm saying keep my contact information. If you need advice, if you need critique, if you need, you know, any of your educational needs, please don't hesitate to let me know, typographic or other. I'm more than glad to help you out. So please keep that. So again, guys, see you in discussion board. Thank you for a wonderful class. Everybody did outstanding work, and the level of proficiency shown in this group is very, very impressive. I've really enjoyed the class. I've enjoyed the engagement with this group, and thank you. So I will see you guys in discussion board. Great, thanks, guys.